wearing a tank top because it's really hot in my room. So if at any point in this video you see my dark armpits, I'm so sorry. It's really an insecurity of mine. Today I'm going to be recreating a look I saw on Instagram. I don't know if I can do this, but I want to try. It's gonna be a great time. I hope you stay. Oh frick. After like 30,000 hours, I primed my eye. And of course I'm going to be using the James Charles X Morphe palette because this is the only palette that I have that actually vale la pena. I know, like, it's like, especially James, like, if I know him, Mr. Charles, he said not to set your eye, but the last time I used this palette, I lightly set my eye, and that was like the best like eyeshadow application and blend that I had using this palette. Did that even make sense? Just lightly though, nothing crazy. Okay, so now we're actually gonna finally start. And in the picture, it looks like she has like a purplish blue on the lid and like a purple in the crease and then a hot pink to like blend everything out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with the color Cola and Brother, this one and this one, and I'm gonna mix them together and pack that on my lid. Just try to focus on getting the color down. So now that it looks like this, super cute. I know. I go in with the purple shade called Escape and probably mix it with some of Single. And I'm gonna put that in the crease and kind of blend out that blue harsh line. This looks like shit. I know. Just the process. So while I was blending the purple shade, I went back and added some more blue on my lid because it kind of got like lost. And now I'm gonna take the color Pinkity Drinkity and Skip. So these two pink shades, and I'm gonna use that to blend the very outside and blend everything together, and hopefully that ties everything together and makes it look good. Now I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and go and like really blend everything out, make sure there's no harsh lines. And if I notice that a color is not really like popping or peeping through, then I'll just add more of the color. So this is how it looks. Is it like the picture? No. The only part that I'm struggling with is right here, like in the inner corner, because I don't know how to put the shades there, and so it looks gross. This is where I'm at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and then I'll come back. I'm done. This eye looks significantly different than this eye, and it's just not blending. But that's just how it's gonna have to be until I figure out how to fix it. So now I'm gonna clean everything up and do my face makeup because this eye look is too dramatic to not have face makeup on. And I really didn't want to do it because I don't want to mess with my pimples and make them worse. So yeah, I'm gonna do my face makeup and then I'll be back to finish the eyes. So face makeup is done. I literally feel like I look scary. Finish my face makeup and I feel like I look so weird. I'm gonna do my lower lash line. Take the blue shade and run it really close to my lash line, and then take the purple and pink shade and diffuse that out. And I want it to be like really smoky and like, you know. So in the inner corner, I kind of want to do some glitter. So I have this glitter from Shop Miss A, and it's this kind of glitter. You can see that? It's kind of like a silverish, iridescent blue and purple. I'm gonna take my NYX glitter glue and this really thin BH Cosmetics brush and I'm going to apply some glitter glue in my inner corners. I'm gonna apply the glitter right on top of that. So the glitter kind of makes me feel better about the look. Here's like a better look with my flash. This is still my ugly eye. But I'm sorry that I'm going through like 20 different hairstyles. It's just my hair. Anyways, I'm gonna put on some lashes, and this can really make me lose my mind or fall in love. So I'm gonna use the same lashes that I was complaining about last video. Dodo lashes and D115, aka the Rachel Cantu lashes. Okay, I'm gonna go put these lashes on and I'll be right back, probably in like an hour, because I don't know how to put on lashes. I'm gonna do the finishing touches, so like do my lower lash mascara, tight line, my right there, curl my eyelashes, put mascara on my top lashes, and then we'll be done. So it's been like 30 minutes since I finished this look, and in those 30 minutes I was literally taking so many pictures and videos of this look. Kind of embarrassed, but I really liked how it turned out. Ooh. But I'll show you guys how it looks like up close. This is my good eye. This was the eye that I actually did perfectly. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, wow. The glitter, wow. These lashes, you can still see my real lashes. I'm learning. This is how my eyes look. So cute. I'm literally in love. So thank y'all for watching and watching me go through this mess and struggle with not only my makeup but also my hair. Yeah, peace out.